Hello loyal subscribers. As you can see here, we have the brand new Cadbury Favourites. So going from what we can see on the outside of the packaging, there's a whole lot of chocolate bars in here. Never seen that old gold flavour. That seems pretty new. But closer. Yeah, that one. Old gold. Very interesting. I can't wait. Is it focused? I don't know. Is it focused? Not focused. Okay, getting back to the focus. Oh, there you go. It's got this nice plastic window that very much shows the just the chocolate bars, yeah. And there's been a bit of tampering with this package, as you can see. Someone's been here and nicked my chocolates. Not very pleased about that, but we'll continue. Okay, so 4-way folding lid. Very ingenious design from Cadbury today. First out of the box, old gold. So that's the chocolate bar. Very nice gold packaging, as you can see. Red on the back and the sides. It's got Cadbury's normal tear packaging, that's very good. I assume there's chocolate in there. Okay, let's go in for the slime. Yep, that's it. Okay, we're still going. Next, crunchy bar. Oldie, but a goodie. I'm sure you know what that is. Dairy Milk Calamaro. That's got some calamaro in there somewhere. Okay. Turkish Delight, shit. Moro, that's where it's at, boys. Bloody yellow stands for goodness, red is goodness, and black is for the All Blacks, so that's shit. Unfortunately. Shit. Flake, yellow, purple. That's the good one right there. No black. Good. There's the Eco Boost. Picnic. No one likes picnics. Get out of here. Cherry Ripes. Shit. Dream. You dream. Dream on. No one likes dreams. Yeah, it's Cherry Ripe. Escaped a bit there. Dairy Milk.
Old fashioned quality.
Just bloody bland, for goodness sake. Yeah, good Moro, that's good. Boost.
That's what I want from a good turbo.
Boosts are honestly the best. I just love them like that.
They do look like a dog shit.
Look. Holy, that's an intruder. Get out of here. Scoot. Okay, never mind. They're kind of like silage. Like, they come in like a roll, but it's a bit longer. Another old gold. Very interested to try that one, but yeah, looks good. Boost. Picnic. My favourite, the Turkish Delight. Finish with the crunch. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.